Right now 400 people on my website. I don't know why this person sending a bot traffic that I see you on my website. I don't know why this person doing this. So how to stop this type of traffic? This type of traffic is harmful for my Google AdSense, Google Analytics, and also for my hosting. Because if someone send a too much traffic, then my hosting goes down and also my ranking, and day by day my ranking goes down because my bounce rate is so much high from this type of traffic. So I also recommend you don't buy this type of traffic. If someone sending up this type of bot traffic to your website, then take action and block this type of traffic and save your ads and Google Analytics and also hosting. Let's begin how to stop this type of traffic. So my domain is on GoDaddy. But I am managing my domain from Cloudflare. Maybe your domain is on domain.com, Namecheap, and Bluehost and different type of domain providers. So I am managing my GoDaddy domain from Cloudflare. So Cloudflare is best tool to manage your website. Maybe your website is on WordPress and Blogspot and different type of website managers. So let's begin to how to protect your website. Make sure your domain is on Cloudflare. So go to DNS. Here you can see my domain is on Cloudflare, and go to overview. Here you can see upper side. Here you can see under attack mode and development mode. Under attack mode, show visitor as JavaScript challenges when visiting your site. So we will talk about this later. So go to firewall. First we doing this setting. So go to firewall. Here you can see my Cloudflare block this visitor from United States, and then action take challenging challenging. So bot traffic mode. So Cloudflare help me to protect my website. Here you can see a visitor my visiting website, and Cloudflare detect this is a harmful for my website. They maybe detect this is a bot, so they show a challenge, and if they are a person, then they will fill out this challenge and they will enter to our website. So how to enable this bot fight mode on your website? So this is so easy to enable. So here you can see a tools. Now click on firewall and go to tool. Here you can see bot fight mode, challenges and or block request matching pattern or unknown bot before they can access your site. Now enable this. So if you enable this, then Cloudflare show if Cloudflare detect this is a bot, then Cloudflare show a JavaScript challenge to your visitor. So this is so I recommended you enable this tool. And second step is too much powerful. This is a under attack mode. So this is so much powerful. If you enable this, every single person see a JavaScript challenge on a 5-second delay, and they will visit. And now hold it, and here you can see a pop-up screen show a security level. So there is a 4 and 5 security level, low mode, medium, high. I am under attack mode. There is a lot of so you can easily understand. Low mean Cloudflare show some people. Medium, high, I am under attack mode. I am under attack mode. This is so much high. If you enable I am under attack mode, then every single person get a JavaScript. Here you can see I am just enable. Here you can see checking your browser. Here you can see if you enable this under attack mode, then every person get this type of JavaScript on. Here you can see this is so I am not recommended you enable this is I am under attack mode, because this is high level security. So if you enable this, then visitor not like this, so they will back, they will press a back button. So I recommended you just select a medium or high. So I am not so select according to your needs. So once visitor fill this form, then they will visit our website. So enabling this doing this, then you can easily protect your website from bot traffic and different type of of harmful traffic. So here you can see we fill out a challenge and then we visit our website. So go to again, here you can see according to your need. If you select a low, then maybe out of 10% 1% get this JavaScript challenge. So I am low, medium, high, and last one is I am under attack mode. So I recommended you low, medium, and maybe just off this, because we already enable firewall tools and boot fight mode. So boot fight mode is the best to protect our website. But if someone doing too much bullshitting on your website, then enable this on your website, I am under attack mode. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. So thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to protect your website. If someone doing this bloody shit on your website, then protect your website from this type of bot traffic. So this is so easy. Maybe your domain is on different type of domain provider. Just connect your domain to Cloudflare and protect your website. This is so easy to connect your domain with Cloudflare and manage your domain on Cloudflare. So thanks for watching. So if you have some question in your mind, then let me know, I will answer you. So here you can see red icon, this under attack mode is activated. This is high level security from Cloudflare. Cloudflare give you this in free, 100% free, so you can use free. You don't need to pay anything. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.